I'm Suzanne Russ, lifestyle editor at Family Circle, and I'm here today with the Toy Insiders, Marissa DiBartolo, and she's presenting 10 Days of Toys. So what have you got for us today?
Okay, so we're talking STEM. This is called I Dig It Dinos. These are excavation kits. Ooh. So you get this little block of clay, and you get a hammer and a chisel,
right.
And then you get to actually kind of dig up your own dinosaur bones. Yeah, so we're just going to go right in here. Oop, this way. Isn't that cool?
It's so cool.
So slowly but surely, kids will kind of chip away at all the clay.
Right.
You'll get all the little dinosaur bones, and then you can build your own dinosaur models.
Fantastic, and they glow in the dark too.
They glow in the dark. Isn't that amazing?
Yes.
And I love that they come with their own stand, so kids can display this in their room.
Yeah, little paleontologists in training.
Exactly.
I like it.
Archaeology, paleontology, all those great STEM concepts.
Great.
Yes. Okay, so keeping with our STEM theme, this is the 3 Doodlers Start Hexbug Make Your Own Micro Robotic Creatures set. So you have this really great pen that actually extrudes this eco-friendly plastic. And what you're going to want to do is draw in these little doodle block molds, and then you can pop out these little pieces, and they all adhere together using the same plastic, and then you're going to build around this little battery pack piece, and eventually you're going to create these awesome looking bugs, and when you turn them on they actually scuttle all around the floor.
Oh, that's so great.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
So again, it's a multi-step process that takes a little bit of time, but kids get this really awesome toy when they're finished.
Yeah, it's a nice step process.
Yeah, kind of like they're making their own toys.
And they can make whatever they want too. They can use the mold, but they can create their own fantasy
so there's
toy.
idea guides that kids can follow to create specific bugs and things, or they can just
freeform.
Whatever they can possibly imagine, and I'm sure kids can dream up some pretty gross, creepy,
sure.
crawly creatures for sure. Okay, so building toys are a classic learning tool, right? So these are called Clickformer. So these are awesome because they all just kind of snap together, and then you can kind of rotate them in different ways. So this is the 21-piece flower set. I'll let you feel that. And so you can see, you can build up your own little flower. And again, there's an idea book that kids can follow, or they can make whatever they want, So I really like these, and of course all of the sets are compatible, so if you have multiple Clickformer sets, you can put them all together and make whatever you want.
Just keep building off of them. Good.
Classic building toy.
Yeah, building toys are fantastic, and they grow with the kids too.
Absolutely, and everyone can get in on the fun.
Perfect. For these toys and more, go to FamilyCircle.com or thetoyinsider.com.